Hello, good morning all. Am I audible? Audio, video clear? Hello. Those who are live, please mention whether the audio video is clear. Yes. So welcome all of you to this session, special paper analysis session for mathematical science subject paper. But the session is equally useful for all science streams because part A section is common for all science streams. So this part A, what you are learning, that can be useful for your subject aptitude section also. And please invite all your friends who are preparing for upcoming NET exam or GATE exam, or those who already attended this exam yesterday, day before yesterday, or one day before, so that anyone who is preparing for upcoming exam also you can invite. So welcome all of you. For the new people, this is the bio of me, and these are the details of my Telegram group and WhatsApp group by which you can get free resources and daily questions and other discussions you can get from these groups. You can search online Christy's classes, or Telegram. In Telegram you can search Christy's classes and Christy Varghese Unacademy. You will get the details of the group and the channel. And to join the WhatsApp group, you can text to this number. And these are the books I have written, which are currently the bestseller books. This is especially the bestseller book for CSIR-NET Part A section, available in Amazon and Flipkart. And my classes in Unacademy also you can follow. Daily at 11 a.m. there are free classes, and also 8:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. there are full-length courses also. And more about it I will tell in between. One second, the slide got. Okay, so let us start today's discussion. We are starting with this question. Okay, let me clarify ये session क्या होगा. I will try to explain in English and Hindi also, but mainly in English I will first explain. उसके बाद हिंदी में भी repeat करेगा. This session is actually memory based questions discussion. Original question may slightly vary from these questions. Students have sent me these questions after exam from their memory. Exam was on 16th September for mathematical science. That question paper analysis we are doing. When the official question paper comes, we will do one more analysis of these questions in detail. So now, as per the question sent by students, this is the question. So all of you make a try. I'll give you 1 minute to try the question. After that, I will start explaining. Make a try, all of you. If you are getting the answer or not getting the answer, read the question once and see what you can understand from the question. It's a very good question. Okay, so I'll explain. Okay, this question, I think many of you have different perspectives about this question. First of all, those who attended the exam, this was the exact question now. So if this is a question, listen very carefully. ATM pins है, ATM pin में 0 to 9 any digits can be entered. 0 can also be entered. Please keep that in mind. 0 can also be entered for ATM pin. 000 is a valid, sorry, in India the ATM pins are of 4 digits now. If you want to set 0000, that is also a valid ATM pin. 0001, that is also a valid ATM pin. 1000, that is also a valid ATM pins. So in India, 4-digit ATM pin system, 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, 10 raised to 4 ATM pins are possible. In my previous classes, I have explained all these things in detail. Before exam itself, ATM pin related question which came in last exam also, 2022 February also there was a question similar to that. There we have discussed this theory. Okay, but here we need to think a little bit more because there is a particular condition. How many 3-digit ATM pins are there whose last digit is sum of first 2 digits? Like if you write X and Y as first 2 digits, last digit should be X plus Y. Are you all agreeing this? Last digit should be X plus Y. So we can say X and Y, whatever you enter, there is only a unique way you can write X plus Y. Like if you are taking 3 here, 2 here, 3 plus 2, 5 will be here. That means the 3, 2, 5 is a valid ATM pin. 7 here, 1 here, 7, 1, 8 is a valid ATM pin. This will be the sum. So that is an example I am saying. So how many such numbers are there? Listing all the 45 out will be time consuming, but first I will explain with that approach what is happening. Look at this. These are the first 2 digits possible. First 2 digits ka possibility itna hai. If that condition sum of digit was not there, first 2 digits of an ATM pin can have this 100 possibility na. 0, 0, 0, 1 up to 9, 9. Are you all agreeing that? Please respond in the chat. 0, 0, 1, 1 up to 9, 9 is a 100 possibilities hoga. Yeah, that is actually the 2-digit number, but 0, 0 is also included. So 2-digit numbers and 1-digit numbers 0, 1, 0, 2 up to 0, 9 also. That is total 100 possibility. ये 100 possibility में कितना possibility हमारे लिए useful होगा? Which all possibility is useful for us? Useful for us means the sum of digits you should get, but sum of digits can only be a digit ना. Third digit sum of digit होना चाहिए. Third digit sum of digit होने के लिए third digit के लिए 2 digit acceptable नहीं है. That means if the sum is like 0, 1 it is okay. 0 plus 1, 1 is okay. 1 plus 1, 2 is okay. Likewise up to 9 being the sum is okay. Up to 9 being the sum is okay. But 10 being the sum is not okay. For example, 5 and 5, 10. But you cannot write the ATM pin 5510. That is a 4-digit ATM pin. A particular question में सिर्फ 3-digit ATM pins acceptable है. Exactly, Shubhajit. It should be less than 10 for sure. Less than 10 means इसमें क्या क्या cases not possible है. Look at the last row. 9 first digit वाला case check करिए. 9 plus 1, 10. Acceptable नहीं है. क्योंकि 9 plus 1 10 आ रहा है, that is a 2-digit number. Sum can only be a 1-digit number. X, Y, X plus Y, where X plus Y should be less than 10. लेकिन यहाँ पे X plus Y 10 है, so acceptable नहीं है. 9 plus 1 11 है, acceptable नहीं है. Similarly, this can be deleted. The last row, there can be 10 possibilities are deleted. Are you all agreeing? 10 possibilities deleted. Now, this row 8 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 8 plus 4, 8 plus 6 up to 8 plus 9 deleted. Are you agreeing? 8 plus 0, 8 okay. 8 plus 1, 9 okay. That is 808 is a valid possibility. 819 is also a valid ATM pin according to the criteria in the question. अभी 73, 74, 75, 76, 78, 79 acceptable नहीं है ना. लेकिन 707, 718, 729 acceptable है according to the condition given in the question. Similarly, ये 6th row में इतना impossible है. 5th row में इतना impossible है. 4th row में इतना impossible है. इतना impossible है, इतना impossible है, इतना impossible है. So count it. I am telling the first method. I will explain one more method. So there is 10 possibility in the first row. 9 possibility in the second row. Sorry, ये possible है. Sorry, I deleted it by mistake. ये impossible है. So 9 possibility here, 8 possibility here, 7 possibility here, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So total possibility will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus up to 9. Sorry, up to 10. That is sum of first 10 natural number, that is 10 into 11 by 2. 10 into 11 by 2 is 55. So 55 is the answer. How many of you understood this? I will explain another perspective also. ये perspective clear है नहीं, please mention in the chat. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. Another possibility is you can think from the perspective of the third digit. Perspective of the third digit, that is also a good way. I will explain that also. And otherwise, as you are mathematical science students or mathematical science students here can think from the matrix perspective if you have this picture clearly. This lower diagonal, sorry, this upper diagonal we need, lower diagonal elements will be deleted. That middle, this diagonal elements also is needed, that is why it is above 50 for sure. Above 50, I think there was only one option. ऐसा भी eliminate कर सकता था if you have a proper idea of that matrix idea. Another perspective also I will give you. Another perspective I will give you. If x, y, x plus y, ये x plus y का possibilities क्या है? Let us try to think in reverse order. Last digit से first digit और second digit guess करने का try करेगा. So last digits 0 आ सकता है. Last digit can it be 0? Yes, 0 आ सकता है. 0 आने का क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है? 0 0 पॉसिबिलिटी है. 0 0 का सम 0 है. लास्ट डिजिट 1 आ सकता है. हाँ, 0 1 1 देगा, 1 0 भी 1 देगा. That means there are two possibility for that. There is one possibility for this, or I will write here one possibility here, two possibility for this sum to be 1. 2 मिलने का क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है? 0 2 1 1 2 0. Can you see this? So 2 मिलने का, 0 मिलने का 1 possibility, 1 मिलने का 2 possibility, 2 मिलने का 3 possibility. Can you see this? All of you. 3 मिलने का क्या कितना possibility है? 0 3 3 0. 1 2 2 1. 4 possibilities है. Can you see the pattern? And it will increase. It will increase like this itself. Permutation combination idea itself. 4 मिलने का, 0 मिलने का 1, 1 मिलने का 2, 0 मिलने का 1 possibility. Sum, I am telling about x plus y sum, कितना possibilities. और कितना possibilities means उतना ATM pins create कर सकता है. 1 मिलने का 2 possibility, 2 मिलने का 3 possibility, 3 मिलने का 4 possibility, 4 मिलने का 5 possibility, 5 मिलने का 6 possibility, 6 मिलने का 7 possibility, 7 मिलने का 8 possibility, 8 मिलने का 9 possibility, 9 मिलने का 10 possibility. ये सब ऐड किया तो भी चलेगा. That is a faster way. If that matrix idea is not coming or if it is taking more time, ये आइडिया यूज करिए. दिस इज सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 10 नेचुरल नंबर्स. 10 into 11 by 2 55. So 55 is the answer. Some people, the mistake that can be made is not considering the possibility of 0 being the digit. 0 possible है ATM digits में. As I told, February 2022 exam discussion का भी that question I have told. 0 if you miss, you may get a wrong answer. Very good, Sakshi. So if that is clear, let's move on to the next question. सबको क्लियर है ना? ये मिक्सचर्स एंड एलिगेशन से 2 क्वेश्चन आया था मैथमेटिकल साइंस पेपर में. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मिक्सचर्स एंड एलिगेशन, एंड दिस वाज अ क्वेश्चन आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड इन द बुक आई हैव रिटन इटसेल्फ. This is the book I have written. In this book, I have explained the same question. Instead of 5 kg, it was 20 kg. That was the only difference. As an illustration question, I have given this in the book I have written already. Like few years back itself, I have explained that question there. So try it very fast. once again asking previous question का solution completely clear है ना? Because after exam many people were asking doubt about that particular question, and many people told they got 45 as the answer, but 45 is not the answer. If that was the question, 45 is not the answer. If there was any particular extra condition given in the question, answer will change, but for that particular question 45 is not the answer, 55 should be the answer. Okay, this question some of you got the answer A, C, D, 3 options I can see in the chat. Let's see which is correct answer. This question or this type of question, if you tabulate the data, visual method use किया तो थोड़ा clarity मिलेगा. A 5 kg weighing watermelon, so total weight of watermelon में दो चीजें हैं, water and the melon we can say, that is water and the dry weight of the watermelon. So water भी है और dry weight भी है. So इसमें water कितना है, dry weight कितना है. Dry weight means the solid matter in the cucumber. As you know, watermelon. Cucumber is a fruit that have maximum water in it. So that other than water, what is remaining, that is called dry weight. So total 5 kgs. For convenience, I am converting kg into gram. 5000 gram है total weight of watermelon. उसमें 99% water है. I have taught you mental arithmetic in many of my previous free classes. 5000 का 99% find करने का easy तरीका क्या है? Don't do 99 by 100 into 5000. That is waste of time. 100% of 5000 से 1% of 5000 कम करिए. 1% of 5000 is shifting 2 decimal to the left, 50. 5000 minus 50, 4950 will be the water in this. So 4950 water है तो remaining 50 gram dry weight होगा ना, remaining 50 gram dry weight होगा. This is the initial condition. Now if some of the water evaporates so that now only 98% of its weight, this is the most important thing where some people make mistake. 98% of its new weight, that is very important. 98% of this new weight is water. Then what is the new weight of watermelon? So let x be the required unknown. Let x be the new weight of watermelon. ऐसा है तो वो x का 98% है water. 98% of that x is water. So remaining 2% will be dry weight. Na? That is the idea. 2% should be dry weight. Now the problem or the mistake many people make is they will be worried about 98% of x, but that is very difficult to find because x का value भी पता नहीं है, ये नया value भी पता नहीं है. So even if question is saying about that 98%, don't worry about that, think about the remaining, worry about the remaining, क्योंकि dry weight कम भी नहीं हो रहा है, ज़्यादा भी नहीं हो रहा है. Dry weight is remaining the same, only water is getting reduced, dry weight is not reducing. So 50 kg will remain 50 kg itself. So this 2% of x is equal to 50 is an equation you can make now. Then from that you can find the value of x because you got an equation involving x and solve it. One equation, one unknown. Yeah, school day math use किया तो 2 by 100 x equal to 50. Cross multiply किया तो x का value 5000 by 2 2500 मिलेगा. But I don't agree with this at all. Don't do this. You should be able to directly think about this. एक चीज का 2% 50 है तो उसका 1% 25 होगा ना. 1% 25 है तो उसका 100% 2500 होगा ना. That is how you should think and directly get 2500 instead of writing this extra step. That is school day math. In school day, for writing that step you got an extra mark. Every step gave you 1 mark extra. But now every step you write, that much time extra you will be taking. So don't waste your time. So 2% 50 है तो directly भी कर सकता है. 2% का 50 गुना है ना 100%. So 50 times 50 2500 ऐसा भी बोल सकता है. Anyway 2500 will be our required unknown x. So 2500 what? Gram. But answer is in kilogram. 2500 gram is 2.5 kilogram. All of you are clear about this? I have made you do these kinds of questions many times in my previous free classes. Check it out. New students, if you want to check out my previous free classes, you can search my playlist. There will be playlist named Christy Varghese also in Unacademy. General Aptitude with Christy Varghese also in Unacademy. And in this channel also there are many lectures I have given. Check it out. So, Ria actually don't know CSIR. Most probably should publish the answer key very soon. So, try this question. Iska answers, I don't know whether this options were correct or not. Anyway, try it. Another mixtures and delegation problem was there. Try this, all of you. Try it fast. Somewhat similar to previous question. Okay, some of you got. Ria, gate class is completely free. Gate class will be free and it starts from day after tomorrow, Wednesday, 11 a.m. CSIR-NET full length course is a paid course, but gate free course, gate complete course is a completely free course. 50 lectures hoga, Sara topics of gate will be covered in that course. I will tell about that in some time. So, 360 milliliter aqueous solution means solution containing water, contains 40% alcohol. So as it is mentioned, aqueous solution 40% alcohol है तो बाकी water होना ही चाहिए. Just like previous question में water और dry weight है, ये question में water और alcohol है. So water और alcohol है. So वो दोनों का mixture है. Water plus alcohol है the final mixture. So 40% alcohol है 360 ml aqueous solution में. So 360 ml है उसका 40%. Again mental math clear है तो 10% of 360 is 36. 20% is 36 का double 72. So 40% will be 72 का double 144. Directly you can write. No need to write 40 by 100 into 360. So alcohol का content 144 है. So remaining 60% water का content है, that is 216. Subtract this or 60% you find. So this is the initial condition just like previous question. Now the final condition क्या है? If 3600 water is added, water 3600 added means to this 3600 is added. That means 3600 plus 216, 3816 will be the water content. But that is not actually needed. ये water content 3600 add हो रहा है तो total also will be added by the same thing na, because alcohol 144, these two added or 360 plus 3600, whichever way you do, no problem. 3960 will be the total content now. Water or alcohol का mixture अभी 3960 है. Did you all understood 3960 how? Now question is asking approximately how much percentage will be the alcohol in the final mixture. So alcohol 144 not out of 360, 144 out of 3960. 144 out of 3960 into 100. Alcohol content by total into 100. If you know mental math, this also can be done faster, but here you can use paper math because that needs thorough practice. So anyway, 144 में 36 4 गुना है 3960 में 36 will be 110. So 400 by 110, that is 40 by 11. 40 by 11 is 3.6 approximately. 3.6 approximately will be the answer. Other options I don't know whether it is correct. Correct answer should be 3.6. All of you clear? Please respond. If that is clear, try the next question super fast. And those of you who are watching this session, if you feel that this session is useful and if you want more free sessions like this, do hit the like button. If you didn't feel this is useful, you can hit the dislike button also. But if you felt it is useful, please comment and like, because that will help this kind of videos to get promoted in YouTube, and that will help more people to attend the session, and that will help me to conduct more sessions, help me to devote more time in this platform through these free classes itself. So please post your answer also after trying. Very good question, but easy only. Okay, some of you got B option, some of you got D option. Let's see. If arithmetic mean of 5 numbers is 0, then their product is, all of you know, arithmetic mean is sum of observation divided by total number of observations. So sum of observation divided by total number of observation is 0 means obviously 5 numbers hai. So if A, B, C, D are C, D, E are the 5 numbers, A plus B plus C plus D plus E divided by 5 equal to 0. So obviously A, B, C, D, E sum should be 0, na? Because denominator is 5. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E should be 0. That is the only criteria we need to satisfy. Only criteria we need to satisfy is that. So does that necessarily mean the product should also be 0? Not necessary, na? Because the sum can be 0 by taking like 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus minus 4. Negative integers also can be taken. And this product is not 0. This product is minus 4 only. So product being 0 is not necessary. Yeah, if you take all numbers 0 also it is correct. But that is not sufficient, na? All numbers 0 does not ensure. Sorry. Average being 0 does not ensure all number being 0. That is why option A is not always true. So option A is not the answer. At most 2 of them are positive. Can you say maximum? At most means maximum. Zyada se zyada 2 numbers positive hona chahiye. Now look at this example. At most 2 only, that is the meaning. Maximum 2 only can be positive. Here 4 are positive in the same example I have taken. 1 1 1 1 minus 4 example mein. Counter example I am giving. Maximum, at most 2 means maximum 2 are positive. Here 4 are positive. So this is also eliminated. Did you all understood? I agree that 2 number positive case also average is 0. Oh, average can be made 0 if you conveniently take, but it is not generally true now. It is not always true. That is why option B is not the answer. Similarly, there cannot be exactly 1 0. Exactly 1 0 mein koi problem hai. 1 0 and all the rest non-zero. 1 1 1 and minus 3. Iska average bhi 0 hoga na. I told you the sum should be 0. That is the only thing we need to satisfy. ये counter example देखो, exactly 1 0 भी possible है. There cannot be is written, so that is wrong. There can be one number 0 also if we want. Finally, there cannot be exactly one non-zero number. हाँ, exactly one non-zero number मतलब बाकी सब number 0 होगा ना. बाकी सारा number 0 होगा. बाकी सारा number 0 है तो problem क्या है? X plus 0 by 5 can never be equal to 0 because x is non-zero ना. You cannot cancel out. ये positive number का एक corresponding negative number होना चाहिए. एक positive number है तो average 0 होने के लिए. And that negative number is not possible because all other numbers are 0. So exactly one non-zero number impossible है. So cannot be is correct. So option D is always correct. I hope all of you understood. Sure, Prachi. Chemical science, I didn't got questions from students much. Only 3 or 4 questions students have sent me. Prachi, if you remember the question that you remember from yesterday's question paper, send it. You can mail me christy1710@gmail.com. I will analyze that in the upcoming classes. So other subject students have sent me enough questions. That is why I have started discussion of other subjects first. But all subject discussion will happen in this channel. So stay tuned, and new students do subscribe this channel so that you get update of all the upcoming free classes and upcoming free initiatives. So try this question, all of you. It's a good question, finding the X chapter problem.
Playing from laptop domain 5 TB.
Okay, so I'll explain. In an exam, there are 4 marks for a correct answer and -1 marks for an incorrect answer. A attempted 18. Yeah, this is just memory based wording. Slight variations will be there in the question, but the meaning of the question and the numbers are correct as per the confirmation from many students who attended this exam. So A attempted 18 questions, B attempted 13 questions and score equal marks. This equal mark is an important point. What is the difference in the number of their incorrect questions? So 4 mark correct answer के लिए मिलेगा, negative mark -1 है एक incorrect answer के लिए. So A and B we will tabulate. Yeah, I think in the original question paper it was there. It was that how much A scored more than, sorry, how much more incorrect questions did A attempt compared to B. That itself in a different way I have mentioned what is the difference in the number of their incorrect questions. Both are same. So A attempted 18 questions. So let us assume correct answers, let X be the number of correct answers by A and Y be the number of correct answers by, or incorrect answer we will say, incorrect answers X number A, Y number B. This X minus Y is our final answer na. X minus Y ka value find karna hai if X is the number of incorrect answers by A, if Y is the number of incorrect answers by B. So can you tell me what will be the correct answer number for A? Total 18 attempted, X are incorrect means 18 minus X correct answers na. And total 13 B attempted, so 13 minus Y wrong answers by B. Sorry, correct answers by B. ये दोनों का sum of marks from both these added should be equal. That is what the question is saying. So mark obtained for this X incorrect answers is -1 into X na, and this is -1 into Y, and this is 4 into 18 minus X, and this is 4 into 13 minus Y, because question says 4 mark for a correct answer and -1 mark for the incorrect answer. So sum of this will be the total mark by A, sum of this will be the total mark by B. That is what is equal. So I can sum it up. 4 into 18 minus X, if you open up, 18 double 36 double 72 minus 4X minus X will be the total marks of A. Correct answer, incorrect answer mark plus correct answer mark. Here it is 4 into 13, 13 double 26 double 52 minus 4Y minus Y. Minus 1 into Y, that is minus Y. These two are equal. That means if you simplify it, 72 minus 5X equal to 52 minus 5Y. We need to find X minus Y. To find X minus Y, take X and Y terms to the same time and same side and constant to the other side. So 5X minus 5Y equal to 72 minus 52, which is 20. So X minus Y, 5 taken to the other side, X minus Y will be 4. So 4 should be the answer. Did you all understood? There are other ways also. Using options also you can do it. But direct method is also fine. When we get exact options only we can use answer options, as this is memory based wordings. Options we are not confirmed that these are the 4 options. So once the original question paper comes, I will give you other ways of doing this question also. So now try this question. This was a repetition. I have explained this kind of question earlier in 2019 paper. There was a question. Instead of 27 coins, it was 9 balls. And you need to find the lighter ball or heavier ball. So make a try. Yes, Sarita, you are saying about the paper analysis session. Yes, I have conducted a similar paper analysis session in the Unacademy platform also. Or if you are asking, if you are telling about the previous year question we discussed, yes, that previous year question same repetition idea is this. So I will explain this. So there are 27 coins and one coin is dummy. Dummy means that is a duplicate coin. And वो duplicate coin है, the only thing that is distinguishing it is lesser, lighter than, coin weight is slightly lesser than other coins. All other 26 coins are equal in weight. That means maybe, for example, 1 gram each. But the lighter coin, now the dummy coin, one dummy coin, that may be little lighter, maybe 0.9 gram only. 0.9 gram only. Are you understanding? So we need to identify that lighter coin. उसके लिए हमारे पास सिर्फ available है एक two pan balance. Two pan balance means like this. This is an example of a two pan balance. You can put that coins in both these sides and weigh it. But the problem is we don't have anything to weigh. Only the two pan balance is given. So both sides of the two pan balance should be used. That is the only way. So उसके लिए minimum number of weighing चाहिए. मिनिमम कितना टाइम वेई करना पड़ेगा, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स मिनिमम यू हैव टू पुट coins on the two pan balance, that is the question, to identify the dummy coin. So some people what they do is they will take 27 coins half, maybe 13, but still one coin is remaining, and half it, but that is not a minimum possibility. That will give you answer, but that is not minimum. Minimize करने के लिए आइडिया ये है 27 coins को equally 3 division करना है, equally 3 portions बनाना है, 9 and put 9 coins on one side, 9 coins on another side, and the third 9 coin don't do anything, keep it there. We will know the fate of that third 9 coin from these two 9 coins itself. How? When you put these two 9 coins, हमें clearly पता है एक ही dummy coin है, एक ही कोइन का वेट थोड़ा कम है, बाकी सारा कोइंस का वेट सेम है. दैट इज मेंशन्ड इन द क्वेश्चन. सो व्हेन यू पुट इट इन द टू पैन बैलेंस, आइदर बोथ द साइड्स विल बैलेंस लाइक दिस. केस 1, ऐसा भी एक सिचुएशन आ सकता है, ऐसा भी एक सिचुएशन आ सकता है. दोनों बैलेंस कर रहा, तो मीनिंग क्या है, ये 9 कोइंस का और ये 9 कोइंस का वेट इक्वल है. मतलब ये दोनों 9 कोइंस का सेट में डमी कोइन नहीं है. That means both these 9 coin set does not contain the dummy coin, because both are balancing. That means the third set of 9 coins have the dummy coin in it. That means this set can be deleted from our suspected list. This set can also be deleted. Are you all understanding that? Only 9 coin will remain if it is balancing after weighing number 1. We can eliminate all other 18 coins from 27 coins. All of you respond, is this clear or not? Now the second situation, listen carefully, second situation. What if 9 coin, one set of 9 coin go down and another set go up? That way also it can happen, na? That way also it can happen. Then that means the lighter coin will be in this set. Lighter coin will be in this set. That means this 9 coin which can be deleted. The 9 coin that is outside this, which is not part of the weighing, also can be deleted. That means only one 9 coin set will remain, na? Either this will happen or this will happen. दोनों केस में 9 coin ही बचा है. Which will happen that we don't know. But we know that weighing number 1 के बाद दो 9 coins को delete कर सकता है, eliminate कर सकता है. Did you all understood this? Please respond. That is the good thing about dividing it into 3 groups. If you are dividing it into 2 groups, 13 coins will only remain, or maybe 14 coins. But here 9 coins only remaining. Now that is better. We need to minimize the number of coins as much as possible. Reduce the coins to as much small number as possible, na? Now 9 coins बचा है ना, वो 9 coins पे again, so weighing number 1 is completed. Now weighing number 2, उसके लिए ये 9 coin को equally 3 portion divide करिए. 3 coin here, 3 coin here. Then also balance कर रहा तो तीसरा 3 coin चाहिए. Balance नहीं कर रहा तो ये 3 coin चाहिए, which is having the dummy coin. We are trying to eliminate 26 coins and whatever remains will be the lighter coin. That is the idea. So weighing number 2 के बाद दो 3 coin का set delete हो जाएगा, just like the first 9 coin idea I told you. That means weighing number 2 के बाद, weighing number 1 के बाद 9 coins बचा है, weighing number 2 के बाद 3 coin बचा है. अभी एक और weighing चाहिए, weighing number 3. ये 3 coin को again 1 1 1 डिवाइड करिए, 1 coin यहाँ रखो, 1 coin यहाँ रखो. बैलेंस हो रहा तो थर्ड वन होगा हमारा आंसर. I mean the lighter dummy coin. बैलेंस नहीं हो रहा तो whichever coin went up, that is the dummy coin. Whatever be the case, weighing number 3 के बाद एक ही coin बचा है ना, मतलब 3 weighing पे stop कर सकता है. Did you understand this idea? The same question was asked in a previous CSIR-NET question before this, and also in a GATE exam question. That is why I always say prepare GATE and CSIR together. Those two exams can be prepared together. So try the next question. This is a question, but options we don't know. Students haven't sent the options as it is picture, but make a try. I will explain after that. Okay, any answer? Okay, you cannot mention the answer, so I will explain. Okay, an appropriate representation of the categories food, vegetables, roots and ice creams. So this is the connection you can establish. No ice creams are vegetables, no? Ice cream set and vegetable set does not have any intersection. Some ice creams are not vegetables or all ice creams are not vegetables. So none of those relation holds. So no ice creams are vegetables is correct. No ice creams are roots, no? Ice cream is not grown on root or it is not a type of root. So that is also understood, I guess. All ice creams are food. Ice cream is a food. So all ice creams are food. All vegetables are food. I have explained these Venn diagram type of question many times in my Venn diagram lectures. Check it out. So how to use the syllogism idea you should be clear about. Some roots are vegetables, na? Some roots are vegetables, some roots are not vegetables. Not all roots are vegetables, or not all vegetables are roots. Some vegetables grow not on roots. So some roots are food. Some roots are food, some roots are not food. So all these conditions satisfying Venn diagram, whichever it is, should be the answer. Original question paper में circles है या rectangles है या squares है, हमें पता नहीं है. I don't know that. So this should be the idea. Circle का जगह rectangle भी आ सकता है. But look at the idea. No ice creams or vegetables are satisfied. Vegetable and ice cream set should be having, one second. Ice cream and vegetables should not have any intersection at all. And some roots are vegetables. So vegetables and roots should have an intersection. Some roots are food. So roots and food should have an intersection. And all ice creams are food. Ice cream set should be inside food set. All vegetables are food. So vegetable set should be inside food set. So whichever option having representation something of this sort in shape of circle or square or rectangle, that should be the correct answer. Okay, Pooja, there was a similar option. Pooja, was there a similar option if there were circles? Again, circle can go down or up or anything, that does not matter, but inclusions and intersection should be, and disjoint set should be proper. That's all. Yeah, the basic idea I hope all of you know. All x or y means x set should be inside y set. Some x or y means x set and y set should have an intersection. No x or y means x and y should be disjoint. These are the three possibilities. That is a general idea of these kinds of question. With your basic understanding about the objects, then only you can do this question. So then try this question, all of you, very fast. Probability and seating arrangement together. The question is asked. Okay, so I'll explain. If 90 persons are to be seated in 15 rows of 6 seats each, just to give you an idea, I will show the picture. Something like this should be the picture now. First row में 6 seat, second row में 6 seats. ऐसा 15 rows होना चाहिए. Then the probability of a person sitting at either end of the row. Either end of the row means either here or here. Actually, you don't have to worry about all the 15 rows. You only have to worry about any one row, because that same probability will repeat. And that repeat means that will not add more chances. Chances is the same itself. So you just take one row. One row में either end, मतलब either here or here. यहाँ पे बैठने का chance 1 out of 6 है, because this is 1 out of 6 seats. यहाँ पे भी 1 out of 6 है. So 1 out of 6 plus 1 out of 6, 2 out of 6 will be the chance for that. That is 1 by 3 na? Or simply speaking, n's are 2 out of total 6 seats. That is 1 by 3. Sorry, 1 by 3. And 1 by 3 will be the answer also. You don't have to repeat it. 15 rows is actually just a diversion. ये नहीं चाहिए. 6 seat में either end में होने का chance itself is enough. Because every row this is being repeated. Yes, Pooja, ऐसा भी कर सकता है. 30 by 90 किया तो भी चलेगा. But to save time, it is better to check only one row. And we know that this will just repeat. For example, let me tell you a possibility. If there is a classroom with 10 boys and 20 girls, so what is the chance that a random person you are choosing will be a boy? That will be 10 by 20, 10 by 30, 10 by total 30 people in the class. That is 1 by 3. Now, if there are 10 such classes also, every class it is 1 by 3 only. So, the chance of getting boys from each class is 1 by 3 only. Are you all getting the point? So, the answer will be 1 by 3 only. From the one random row also, you can find that. Or from full rows, if you want to, you can do that. Because left ends will be 15 in number, right ends will be 15 in number. 15 plus 15, 30 out of 90. ऐसा किया तो भी गलत नहीं है, but why waste that extra 5 seconds when you can directly do it with one single row? So that's it. Yeah, this question you try, please. So some of you got the answers. I will explain. Truth or lie related problem or statement related problem. Very good question. Statement 1, statement 3 is false, true. Statement 2, statement 1 is true. Statement 3, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Okay, so and statement 4 is saying statement 1, 2, 3 are false. Which of the following is mutually consistent? Mutually consistent means which of the following statement is not contradicting with other statements? Contradicting with respect to the validity of the statement itself. I will explain. First option, statement 1. Statement 1 mutually consistent है तो I will just assume statement 1 true है तो statement 1 true है तो उसका meaning क्या है? statement 3 भी true होना चाहिए. मतलब statement 3 का statement 1 is true and 2 is false should be true. That means true statement 2 should be false and statement 3 should be true, because statement 3 is saying statement 2 is false. That means this is false, but that is contradicting with the fact statement 1 is true, because if statement 2 is false, statement 1 true is false. That means this assumed true, that is being false also. A statement cannot be simultaneously true and false. That is not consistent at all. It leads to a paradox. For example, if I am saying it is raining now, that is statement, because if it is raining, it cannot be not raining. If it is not raining, it cannot be raining. It can be true or false only at a time. Then only that is a statement. So definitely statement 1 is not mutually consistent. Did you all understood that? Similarly, option B check करिए. Statement 2. Statement 2 mutually consistent है तो statement 2 true assume किया तो what will happen? Statement 1 true होगा. That means 1 is true and 2 is false. That is contradicting itself now. Statement 1 is true and false at the same. Statement 2 is true and false at the same time because, sorry, I made a mistake. Statement 2 है तो statement 1 true होगा and that is why statement 2 false होगा क्योंकि statement 1 says statement 3 is true. That is a loop. That means statement 2 is false. Statement 2 true assume किया लेकिन that is leading to the fact statement 2 is false also. Are you understanding this? Please respond. Yes, Sheetal, I will come to that question. That is why statement 2 also cannot be mutually consistent or cannot be the answer. Now statement 3, if statement 3 is true, that means statement 1 should be true and statement 2 should be false. But then there is a problem. Statement 2 should be false means statement 1 is true is false. That means that will lead to statement 1 being true and false because statement 3 के according statement 1 true है and statement 2 के according statement 1 false है because statement 1 true is false according to statement 3 being true. That is leading to truthity and falsity of at least one of the statements. That is why this is also not mutually consistent. Now what about statement 4? Statement 4 being true we will assume. If statement 4 is true, 1 and 2 and 3 are false, then there is no problem at all. 1 and 2 and 3 and false means there is no problem. Let's see. 1 false है तो statement 3 true नहीं है. So ये false है. ये false होने का 3 तरीका है. First part true, second false. First part false, second false. दोनों false. ये तीनों तरीके से false आ सकता है. ये तीनों तरीके में से एक case if it is false also it's okay. Are you understanding? Both of them being false is not necessary. One of them being false also is okay. Yeah, statement 3 is true means statement 1 is true should be false. That means statement 1 should be not true. Yeah, that is also valid. That means statement 3 is true is false. That means statement 1 is true. Can it be false? Yes, statement 1 is true is false. So that is okay. Statement 2 is false. That is false. That means statement 1 is true. That is false now. Yeah, it is a little confusing. But other option elimination, I hope it is very clear. So statement 4 should be the correct answer. If this is the question, if there is any minor changes in the question, that may lead to a different answer. And this was another question. This was the idea of the question, full question. When the original question paper comes, we will discuss. Anyway, this was the idea. It was rings or tracks, I don't know. Students have sent this image. So radius is 30. What is the ratio of outer ring to inner ring? Ring A is this and ring B is this if you assume. Ring A to B. Here width 2 meter hai. Question says R is 30. So this is 30. This is 30 by 2, 15. That is outer radius. So inner radius क्या होगा? 13 होगा. 15 minus 2. And 30 means inner radius 30 minus 2, 28 होगा. Ratio of ring A area. Area of ring A, I guess. Area of ring A. Memory based wordings. So outer ring area will be what? Pi 30 square minus pi 28 square. Na? Are you all understanding that? That is pi into 30 square minus 28 square. Either if you know Mendel math, you can do 30 square 900, 28 square 784 and subtract it. Otherwise, you can also find pi into 30 minus 28 into 30 plus 28. That is up to you how you simplify it. Because a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. Now 2 into 30 plus 28, 2 into 58. 2 into 58 is 116. So 116 pi will be the outer ring area. Similarly, inner ring area will be pi into, I will directly write 15 square minus 13 square. that also you can simplify like this: pi into 15 minus 13 into 15 plus 13, that is pi into 2 into 28, that is 56 pi. So outer ring area 116 pi, inner ring area 56 pi. Cancelling it, you will get 29 by 14. Pi and pi cancels. 29 by 14 should be the correct answer. I hope it is clear. Simple question only. Yeah, this question actually, can you people tell me whether this question is right? Please mention this question is right or not. I think there is something that need to be corrected. All of you read it, and those who attended this exam, please mention what is the difference or what is the change. Sheetal, you were asking about this question, na? So can you mention whether this question is right or what else is needed in the question? Anyone remember was this the question? Okay, last में कुछ अंदर है. पूजा, basic idea clear है. What was that question? Yeah, last part is what I am also confused. Whether they mean all girls merit is higher than all boys merit, or that particular girls merit is higher than all boys merit, or that particular girls merit is more than that particular boys merit. That is the that is a confusion I have. Particular girl. Okay, Sarita. Particular girl having merit than all other boys. That is the case, na? All girls nahi tha. Okay, then with respect to that, I will explain anyway. So if this is the question, this solution will be valid. If the question is different, answer will be different also. A girl's merit score is 10th from top. That means her mark is 10th position among all the girls. 10th position from top and 10th position from the bottom. That is the meaning. And 10th from bottom. Again, any correction in the question, please comment in the live chat or in the comment section. So 10th position from the top means before her there is 9 people, 9 girls who is having higher mark than her, and below her there is 9 girls. So how many girls are there in the class? Ordering or ranking based question. So 9 girls, 18 plus the 10th girl, that is a girl that we are discussing. So 19 girls will be there. Did you all understood 19 girls how? Similarly, boys merit is 6th from the top. Sixth from the top means before him there are 5 people. 5 boys from the top among the boys. And 16th from the bottom means after him there are 15 boys. Are you all understanding? So 15 boys plus 5 boys plus the 6th boy that we are discussing about, 21 boys should be there. Are you agreeing 21 boys should be there? Particular girl has just 1 position here. Okay, that was the question. Particular girl was 1 position ahead. Okay, if that is the question, let me see. So how many students are there in the class? 19 girls plus 21 boys. 40 students are there. 40 students are there. Then if that means what, according to the comments from the students who have attended the class, attended the exam, if that particular girls, if the girls, girl apostrophe s, not girls, girl apostrophe s, girls merit is higher than that boy, than the boy, then the girls rank. Is the question correct now? Those of you attended the exam, can you mention, is the question correct now? Okay, if this is the question, let's see. 1 is higher means, is it mentioned 1 higher? Just 1 above? Is that also mentioned? Just 1 above means girls rank will be 10th in the whole class na? 1 higher means the boy will be on the 11th rank in the whole class and girl will be 10th rank. Again, then the question is so silly that 40 students also does not matter. Once again I am clarifying, a question ka answer is totally depend upon if this is the question. If that 1 girl's mark is more than 1 boy's mark, just above 1 boy's mark, girls rank in the whole class will be 10 itself, because that is above na. All of you understood? And was there an option 10 in it? Those of you attended, can you mention? Sarita, Aris, Pooja, do you remember? Was there an option 10? That is why I didn't discuss this in the initial part of the class, because the question I am not sure whether it is same or different. Anyway, idea clear hai na? So if the question is different, accordingly you can change your solution also. These were actually questions sent by students, but it is not typed or not complete. So this question, do anyone know the number? Ground, was it exactly 7,000 or something else? Not sure. So that is why I am not discussing currently, but this was also there in the question. Okay, just before continuing with other questions, any other question, if you remember, post it in the live chat. I will discuss it now. So this is the new course I am starting from day after tomorrow. The link is there in the description of this video. To be part of this course, you can subscribe this channel and you can check out the GATE General Aptitude playlist. The first lecture is already launched, or if you are not finding it in the description of the video itself, the link to access this first class is there. So this is a full-length complete course with 50 lectures, all of them free of cost. 50 lectures. In this channel it will be there. In this channel from day after tomorrow 11 AM onwards. I am planning to conduct it daily unless there is any emergencies. I will try to take it daily at 11 o'clock. So 50 lectures, entire syllabus of general aptitude for GATE will be covered. For CSIR also it will be useful to an extent, because GATE and CSIR non-verbal ability are almost the same. So this course, if you are preparing for 2013 GATE exam, I will strongly recommend you to attend it. If you are preparing for CSIR also, if you have time, attend this course. You will learn a lot, because this is the first time I am taking this much bigger complete course in the free platform. Otherwise, assorted classes I do take in free platform, but this is a full-length complete course for GATE General Aptitude. Last time we have had like a crash course, but this is not crash course. This is a complete course for GATE General Aptitude. And CSIR-NET General Aptitude complete courses is in the CSIR-NET Unacademy platform, but that is a paid course. If you are there in the Plus platform, complete course for CSIR-NET General Aptitude starts from September 22nd. 58 lectures of 1.5 hours will be there in this. You can take Unacademy Plus subscription and access this. If you are using the referral code CC10, you can access all my courses and all subject educators courses in Unacademy Plus platform. To get more information, you can be part of my Telegram group or WhatsApp group, or in the description of this video I have given the resources, other resources that you can refer to, the link of the book I have written, and also other free resources I provide through the Telegram group, WhatsApp group, and other resources you can be part of. So okay, it was 26 from bottom, was it, Sakshi? Yeah, that clock wala question also was there, na? I will come to that. Okay, and once again, one more thing, this GATE course, please try to invite as many friends of you as possible. This is a full-length GATE free course for General Aptitude, and this is useful not only for science stream students, this is useful for engineering stream students also, because GATE aptitude is common for science streams and engineering streams. Same question paper itself. If you have same time slot, same question paper. Last time electrical engineering, mathematical science had the same question paper itself, because they were sharing the same time slot. For 2 weekends, normally GATE conducts CSA GATE exam. So 2 weekends, 8 time slot, there are about 26 to 30 subjects for GATE. All those subjects share those common time slots itself. So if you have any relatives or any friends in the engineering stream, do share the link to them also. All these pure science streams and engineering streams have the common general aptitude section itself for GATE. These are the 5-6 pure science streams. All other streams also have the same aptitude section itself. These are the 5 pure science streams, all others are engineering streams. And as I told, these are the other resources. You can be part of my Telegram group, channel, and WhatsApp group for further updates. So that's it. And one clock problem was there, na? That also I am not sure whether the values are correct. Options, whether it is same or not, please mention. Otherwise, try it very fast. I will explain this also. Sheetal, this is the question you are mentioning, na? Iska options kya hai? Please mention whether these are the correct option. 3 minute was there, 4 minute was there, 30 second were there. Okay, the question, there is difference in the question or not, that also you can mention. Options are different. Okay, then we will skip it for the time's sake. As the question is different or slightly different, we'll discuss it in the next class. I hope the questions we discussed today is clear or not. Please mention, and hope this was an interesting or useful session. How many questions we discussed already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 questions already completely discussed. Other questions, partial questions I have given here. When I get more questions, I will add it in the upcoming sessions. And tomorrow also 11 AM I will try to give a free session for other subject also, and try to attend all paper analysis session that will help you to prepare for upcoming competitive exams also, whether it is GATE or CSIR or other exams. So thank you all for attending the session. As it is already 12:30, we will conclude here. Meet you all in the upcoming class, and once again reminding you, GATE course, please invite your friends, start inviting your friends, let more people join that course. So that's it. Thank you, take care, bye bye, have a good day, and do hit the like button if you felt this session was useful, and do share this video to maximum people. Any of your mathematical science students who are searching for the answer key for the question paper they have attended, you can share them, and other stream students who want to practice aptitude, to them also you can share this, and you can share it in WhatsApp, Telegram, other study groups also if anyone needs these question solution. So spread the word and invite your friends to the upcoming free classes also. Thank you all of you, take care all of you, have a good day, bye bye.